It's a beautiful day with Segue and wonder. Deep breath in. Let it out. Hey, Segue. Segue just got here from an adventure. Came in at the end of our last reading, so I didn't get to have you pick any cards, Segue. And, well, he left again. Maybe he doesn't have a message today. Segue, you just want to get petted? What do you want to do, Seggy? Segue 1. Yeah, you can't force anything. Just gotta go with the flow. Go with the flow. Go with the flow. And one of the things we gotta do to stay in flow and feel good is some movement. And so one thing you can do that's simple to move energy in your body, and it helps you feel more energized even without coffee. What? Is something called EFT tapping, emotional freedom tapping. If you want to look it up, do your own research on anything. Don't just believe whatever one random person tells you, but there's a thing, and it's called emergency energy freedom tapping. And I just do this a little bit. Tap on top of my head. And just tap. You can say positive affirmations when you do it. You can say things you're letting go of when you do it, or you can just do it. You can feel that. Do it with me. Just tap, tap, tap. Here. I got my little witchy hat. Let's do some tapping, stretching. Tap, 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 tap. And just tap on the top of your head. Start feeling the energy flowing. Tap a little harder. It doesn't hurt. You feel that? Feel it starting to move in there. Ooh, in the back. All over your head. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Feel it. All right. And tap your forehead. Oh, yeah. I am beautiful. I am wonder. I am woman. I am heart. You know, say whatever you say to yourself to feel good. All right. Ooh. Tap your forehead. Tap your temples. I got hot hair and it's beautiful. Tap your temples. Oh, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Tap it, tap it, tap it, tap it. Good. All right. Under your eyes. Oh, yeah. If you have any kind of allergies, like sinus stuff, this might hurt a little bit. That's just a sign that your sinuses are congested. But tap, tap, tap. Let it flow. Let that energy flow. Flow it, flow it, flow it. Down all over your face, down at your chin. Tap it. All right. Doesn't that feel good? And then you can like comb, slide your fingers all down your scalp, your skull. It's Halloween. Run your fingers down your skull. Feels good. All right. And then one of the number one places you can tap to move energy is right here on your chest. Tap, 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 tap. Tap, 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 tap. You can just sit, watch TV, read a book, sit in nature, whatever you're doing. Sitting at the office, I don't know where you do. Tap yourself. Move that energy. Go in between your chest bone, or whatever it's called, you know, sternum, I don't know what it is. I didn't study bodies like that. Under the boobies, chesties, on your rib cage. Oh yeah. Oh, then your side. Energy starting to flow. All right, you feel that? You can roll your neck. I used to not be able to turn my head all the way. I have arthritis in my neck. And my other chronic pain stuff, I couldn't roll my head. It hurt so bad. You hear it popping. Roll it. That's from one side. The other side. Reach up high. It's like chair yoga. We're over 50 now. Chair yoga time. No, I'm using. But I still like to stretch. Ah, yeah. Alright. Okay. I'm gonna stand up, but I don't know if you can see what I'm doing. Yeah, I think you can see. I think I show the door over here. Let's see. What do I show? Well, you can kind of see. So after you're tapping, you're tapping, you're tapping, you're stretching, you're stretching, you're stretching. I am Wonder Woman Heart. Yes, I am. Thank you, universe. I am me, you are you, we are we. Oh yeah, stretchy, stretchy, stretchy. Oh, kitty, kitty. Oh, that was good. You stretch your legs. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, kitty. You pick a deck. Pick a card for you. Alright. And then this is gonna look really cute. You cross. Sit down in your invisible chair. What? Whoa, I'm on one leg sitting in a chair. What? Oh, no way. Whoa, I'm falling out. Okay. Try the other one. I can do it. I'm balanced. Yes, I'm balanced. Yeah. Whoa, okay. I'm not balanced anymore. Later on. Okay. Well, you don't play around that goofily when you do it. Kitty! Come pick a deck. Come pick a deck, my love. Oh, Segue. I'll put some decks out in case he snips one. In case he knocks it over. In case he comes by and starts talking. Starts to fly. When I was little, I used to know how to, well, I think we probably all know how, but when I was little, I remembered how to astrally project my spirit form out of my body. And maybe it's because I was born almost 3 months early. I wanted to be an incubator before I can go home or anything. And so, sitting there in the incubator, all shriveled up, waiting, so excited to be in this world. I think I was flying around my body to escape the pain or the boredom or whatever babies go through when they're premature. And so I just have memories of when I was little, like maybe even 2 years old. And that's how I would start my day. Just sit on the edge of the bunk bed and then jump off and fly around my room before I came out for breakfast. And then I always dreamt of flying and you know, just wished I could fly. Named my first son Sky because I would walk home from school thinking, I wish I could fly. Just flying sounds so amazing. And then I saw a little girl walking home on the other side of the street. She was in a different class, so I didn't know her. But her name was Sky. Sky, like the sky, that's so beautiful. Oh my gosh. I remembered it forever. So I had my own baby Sky. I forgot what I was talking about. I guess we're just not meant to talk about it. What was that? Well, I don't know, maybe Kitty doesn't want to pick a card, so I'll just go to the Spirit Animal Oracle. See what animal does want to work with us. Maybe cats act differently on Halloween. It's just a different cat altogether. He likes to come out when I start shuffling. You want to pick a card, Segue? You want to kiss him? Or not? Segue, we really love you, Segue. We want to know what you have to say. So I got the Animal Spirit deck, Spirit Animal deck, Segue, so you can tell us what you have to say. What does Segue want to tell us, or any other animals that want to work with us for our highest good? Maybe we need to learn more about moving energy, since we were moving our energy, stretching. The kitty's moving his energy today all over the place. Whoa. Well, that's a lot of messages, but Kitty, did I read one of these? Or one of these our message? I'll read them to you, but I'm going to pick one. So one comes out. But we got the Dove Spirit, be peace. The Nightingale Spirit, love is all around. The Scarab Beetle Spirit, magic works through you. And the Peacock Spirit, let it shine. So it's pretty beautiful. Okay, so we got Dove Spirit, be peace. And Scarab Beetle, magic works through you. And that was Dove Spirit's number 21, which is 3, be peace. Scarab Beetle's number 52, magic works through you. This is the 7. Nightingale Spirit is 41, which is 5 again, change, love is all around. Whoa. And the Peacock Spirit, let's shine, number 46, it's the 10. See all of them? Okay. Now you can see this. Okay, I guess we'll read them. These two. The Scarab Beetle, magic works through you. This book, okay. I'm gonna read that one. The Scarab, number 52. Okay. Number 52. What Kitty wants us to hear right now. Thank you, Kitty. Scarab Beetle Spirit, magic works through you. The Oracle message. In ancient Egypt, the Scarab Beetle was revered for the creative magic of Scarab Beetle Spirit. Reminds us that we can bring forth something extraordinary, seemingly out of thin air. Whenever you let your creativity flow through you, Scarab Beetle Spirit reminds you that Spirit has given you the gift of infinite potential. You have an ally as you fashion something new or repurpose the old, for Spirit co-creates with you, channeling energy through you so that you feel replenished and vitalized as you make magic with what is at hand. Now is a time for great optimism, for you can accomplish anything you desire, and your creative endeavors will come to fruition. Miracles, opportunities, abundance, and love will appear seemingly out of nowhere as you allow Spirit to work through you and magically manifest what you need. And the protection message, Do you doubt your unique inner magic? Are you afraid that you have no originality or that creative juices don't flow through you? Perhaps you mistakenly believe you're not the creative manifesting type. Scarab Beetle Spirit's message is that creativity is a living force that comes to all of us from Spirit, who wants every person on the planet to manifest magic and co-create the world anew. You are as capable of resilience and innovation as anyone. If you do what you've always done, you're going to get what you've always got. So draw inspiration into your being and begin to playfully create something new. And do it without any judgment. Creativity and magic are your legacy as an expression of the Creator. So let them flow through you. Beautiful. Thank you, Scarab Beetle. Kitty. Knocked over the Nightingale Spirit, which says, whoa, sand, hi sand, which says, love is all around you. Let's read that. Love is all around us, kitty. Isn't it? I feel your love. Oh my love. 41, Nightingale Spirit. I think they sing at night. That's why it's called a nightingale. Alright, Oracle message. Love is all around in the darkness of night. Nightingale Spirit sings her song of love and hope, a harbinger of dawn to remind you that the sun will rise again soon. You are so loved, and the illumination song of the Nightingale Spirit calls you to a new level of self-awareness and connection with the light. Yes, there is shadow and darkness, but love and prosperity exist everywhere, even in the seeming emptiness of space. Darkness and a starless night. Hearken to the message, letting the music of the nightingale's song remind you that love is all around. Feel it and trust in tomorrow's light, renewing your ability to recognize that the spaces that appear empty are filled with love and abundance. Illumination will happen soon. And the protection message. The darker the skies, the more it seems the dawn will never appear. But Nightingale Spirit is here to remind you that the sun will shine again. You will soon feel the love and notice the abundance that surrounds you. Sing now, put on some music, or simply sing in the empty space, for finding the light within and giving it voice will give rise to hope and help you begin to hear the call of another who, like you, was beginning to fear the light would never come. Bring the light into the darkness with love from within. Give it voice and know that daybreak will be here soon. Thank you, Nightingale. Message of hope. Love is all around. And then number 21, the Dove Spirit, be peace. You like the messages, kitty? Okay. Oh, whoa. They're really pretty cards. It's a little crown on. That's really colorful. All the sacred geometry is always hidden in the ethers all around the animals, like in real life. 21, Dove Spirit, be peace. The oracle message, with her peaceful cooing, The gentle dove spirit invites you to embrace the energy of peace and allow compassion to warm your heart. You always have the power to generate peace within you, and the appearance of dove spirit is a reminder that today and every day is a good day to meditate, to quiet any turbulence within as you embody tranquility above, below, and all around you. Much may be happening to distract you, but you are called to engage it with the heart of a peacemaker, asking yourself, what would peace do? Can you agree or disagree? The peace you seek rises within and spreads out into the world as Spirit sends her messenger to remind you of the beauty of our harmonious existence with all that is. How beautiful and powerful is your compassionate heart. And the protection message: however disturbed the waters around you, however troubled your heart, Dove Spirit is there to remind you that peace without begins within as you reconnect with Spirit through practices that awaken you from spiritual amnesia. Your true nature is as a peaceful child of Spirit, but how easily you forget. You're being invited to sit in the cozy, safe nest of Spirit. Soon the waters will become still and you will feel peace again. Be compassionate with yourself at this time, for all of us can forget that peace is always at hand, always there. Gifted to us by Spirit. Become the peace you wish to see in the world so you can reduce any suffering, performing acts of kindness and radiating love. Dove Spirit also reminds you that when you see inequity or someone harmed or in need, trust that you have the capacity to bring peace through smiling, sending love, speaking a kind word, and listening with a compassionate heart. Do your part to be a peacemaker, nourishing compassion, reminding others of the joy of harmonious coexistence so that they may embrace the Dove Spirit within themselves too. And that just reminds me of Mr. Rogers. You ever watched Mr. Rogers, Fred Rogers? I think his mom told him, if I remember right, that when there's a disaster, when there's trouble, look for the helpers. This message saying, not only look for the helpers, be the helper, be the light you want to see in the world. Okay? Not waiting for someone else to do it for us anymore. We gotta do it. We can. Peacock Spirit. Peacock, number 46, which is a 10, says, let's shine. And so, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. She has this beautiful peacock, and they've got this rainbow colored, awesome heart chakra, just radiating light, shining their light. Okay, number 46. It's the end of the old cycles. Something new is beginning. We get to create it. Let's shine. Oracle message. When is the last time you shook a tail feather and shined your light for all to see? Oh yeah, I just love shaking my tail feather. Within each of us is a peacock spirit, yearning for expression, and you are called now to show the world the gorgeous creature you are. For you are a manifestation of Spirit. Come out from the shadows, Peacock Spirit says, and show your true colors so that others may be inspired to express their own exquisiteness. Ooh, so when you're shining bright, you inspire others to shine bright. Dance as if you remember that you are made of stardust and grace, filled with life force, energy, and sparkling light. You are a channel of divine love, and your dance is one of a kind. Catch the light and help it to shimmer, and dance in celebration of your good fortune of being right here, right now. Spirit wants you to be joyful so that others may get up and dance along with you. I'll dance with you. I love dancing. Protection message. Are you afraid of dancing with abandon because of what others might think? No. Oh, are you? Do you think you may be punished if you shine too brightly? Have you been conditioned to expect to be hurt if you show yourself fully to the world? It's not a fun place. Maybe not everyone will celebrate your beautiful radiance when you shine. That's okay. Peacock Spirit is here to remind you that while others may resist celebrating the beauty within them, although they may contract while you expand and shake your tail feathers, smile and keep dancing anyway. Model the good fortune and abundant joy that is yours, and soon someone will say, "Me too!" and join you. Spirit loves you so much and wants you to enjoy the dance and shine your light. Thank you, Peacock. That's a nice message, Segue. Thank you, sweetie pie. Segue seems to come in when there's a card message he wants to say. Is that all? Thank you, Segue. It's been real. It's been a real wonderful day, and I'm gonna let it shine, because love is all around, and magic works through you, so it works through me, and I'm just gonna be peace. That's the message I got from today, and that's the cat I'd like to thank for such a wonderful message. Thank you, Segue. I love you. Little wild one. Wild feral kitty, can you believe it? Can you believe it? My little baby. You got a cute tummy. You got a very cute tummy. Yeah, Segue. It's time to go. We're gonna have a wonderful evening too. Trick or treat, I hope you are the magic trick, and you get all the treats for yourself that you deserve. Meow, meow, meow.